Hey guys, in this video, I just want to talk about how you can integrate Klaviyo or Omnisend with the Meta Ads, Google Ads, and then use the subscribers within the Klaviyo for retargeting. So, for example, you can do. Let's first see how you can integrate it. You can just go to Integrations tab and add integration, and then select Meta Ads. It is like a two-step process. To be honest, it's very easy. You just install it, and you would have to select the ad account. You would first connect it and then select which what data do you want to sync, which segments do you want to sync, and you can refine it after that as well. For example, the integration is done. You can come back later and say, okay, I also want this segment to be integrated, so you can do that as well. You just have to select your ad account here, and it's a very easy process. And in a similar way, you can also do the Google Ads as well. And at the end, what this would do for us is, let's say the most important segments that you can like export from Klaviyo to or sync from Klaviyo to Meta Ads or Google Ads are card abandoned. So if somebody has like abandoned the card in the last 7 days or let's say 30 days, but they haven't placed an order, so you can target them via Meta Ads or Google Ads. And the another segment that you can target is cross channel. So if somebody has received email and they are opening emails, uh, and this is like for one campaign, but you can do it for like, let's say you have sent 8 emails per month. You send 8 emails per month, so you can have like we received email at least 6 times in the last 30 days, and opened email at least 4 to 5 times in the last 30 days, and then placed order 0 times. So you can sync that segment to Meta Ads or Google Ads as well, just to make sure that you are retargeting these people, because they are interested in your brand. They're opening your emails, but if they see your advertisements on other platforms as well, it's likely that they would purchase. The other thing is cross sell. Simply, if somebody has placed any from your collection, from one collection, you can cross sell them then another collection. And the other might be recent subscribers. And the other things that you can do is, there are many other things that you can do, but let's say you can sync the segment. So this is from like Klaviyo blog. I've got all these from Klaviyo blog, and these are like potential brand enthusiasts. So what this does actually is, so there are multiple. For example, if somebody has placed an order, and they have placed, one of them is like sending potential brand enthusiasts. So these might be that somebody who has placed an order before, between like 120 and 365 days, but they haven't placed an order in the last 120 days. And the order value is also a little bit higher. So first you have to see what's your average order value. So if your average order value, let's say, is 100, so you can have 300 here. So it depends. If your average order value is 300, so you can have like 900 over here. So it depends on the average order value. So if somebody has placed an order, a good amount of order before, and but they haven't been active and they haven't been placed in order in the last 120 days, then you can retarget them as well. And you can also segment based on zero party data that you collect on the sign up form. So if you ask them which collection you might be most interested in, or if you sell to men and women both, so and you ask them gender, then you can retarget them based on that in Meta or Google Ads as well. And there are multiple other things. Target purchase of specific collections. This could be, you can target them for the same collection, or you can upsell or cross sell them as well. And the main thing, the other things that might help you is that when you are targeting, don't like be as specific as possible. So you can divide the audience into three: cool audience, warm audience, and warmest audience. So when you are targeting cool audience, for example, new subscribers or first time browsers of somebody who don't even know your product, and so they have never heard your product. So what you can do is, you should use generic ads rather than specific ads, because they might think it's too intrusive. But if you target warm audience and they have purchased amount, or they are they have been viewing your product, then what you can do is, you can target a specific product to them via ads. And the warmest audience is somebody who has purchased recently and are also opening your emails and engaging with your emails. So these are the warmest audience. So you can target specifically for to warm and warmest audience, but you can't target to the cool audience. It is better to do this way. And for Omnisend, what you can do is go to the apps, and here you have to search Facebook custom audiences, and you connect it here, and then you can go to Google Ads customer match, and connect it here as well. And then you can create any segment that you like, and you, you when whatever segment you want to uh, sync with the sync to Google or Facebook, then you can click here as well. But what happens is when you have synced once, it will automatically sync like 5 to, I think, Omnisend mentions from 5 to 15 minutes. So yeah, it would be synced between 5 to 15 minutes. Every 5 to 15 minutes, your audience would be synced. So you don't have to, no CSV is required here as well. So yeah, that was it.